Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is out of a 2020 Sonata. And the process is pretty simple. You need your replacement battery. This takes one of these 2032s, and you get these on Amazon. They're very inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight there. And then just a normal flathead screwdriver. Okay, so first order of business is you want to take out this mechanical key. So press this button, pull that out. Now once you have that out, on this side, you want to take your screwdriver and put it towards the bottom. And then push it in and just pry up that half. Okay, so there's your battery. Remove it like that. Try not to touch the circuit board. Take your new battery, positive side up. Put it in. And then this is just a good squeeze. Alright. Slide that back in. Test it like this. You got your red button, you're good to go. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.